Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in having some crypto in your Fidelity portfolio, I've got the #1 fund just for you. This ETF designed by Fidelity specifically has 100% exposure to Bitcoin. Without further ado, let's get into it. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, ticker symbol FBTC. When you buy FBTC, you are buying shares backed by real Bitcoin held in Fidelity's custody. How it works? It's super simple. Fidelity buys and stores actual Bitcoin in cold storage, and each share of FBTC represents a slice of that Bitcoin. The price moves almost exactly with Bitcoin's price, whether it's going up or down. You don't need no crypto exchanges, wallets, or private keys. It's all inside your Fidelity account. There is an expense ratio of 0.25% annually, and Bitcoin is held by Fidelity's digital assets, Fidelity's own institutional grade crypto custody platform. Now you may ask, why would somebody buy crypto on Fidelity? They may want Bitcoin exposure in a regular brokerage account, and they trust Fidelity and they prefer to have everything in-house. If you don't want to deal with crypto exchanges or self-custody wallets, then this fund is just for you. Here's the complete breakdown of the expenses. You have a gross expense ratio of 0.25% and a net expense ratio of 0.25%. Fidelity's FBTC has been introduced in January of 2024 and is very volatile. It was as low as $35 and now as high as $77. To hold a fund like this, you must have a strong stomach for the volatility. Unsure which Fidelity crypto ETFs you're going to choose? I have a video and a link above just for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. If you haven't yet already, click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and definitely check out the 6 more links in here if you want to join the WAP, to join a community of investors that directly chat with each other. Be sure to click on that link. Also, if you want to become a YouTube member and gain early access to videos just like this, click this link and become a YouTube member as well.